Hello friend, how are you? I hope everybody are very well. Do you know how to sell photograph by online? Maximum photographer and maximum people don't know how to sell photograph by online. If you have DSLR camera or high resolution smartphone, then this video is for you. Today I introduce you some top best photo selling websites. Number 1, Shutterstock. I have already an account in this site. I sell my photograph by Shutterstock. You can see my account. I have 7,450 photograph in this account. I am always uploading photograph in this site. I already sold 172 photograph by Shutterstock on 55.0 cent dollar. I withdraw $50. These are my sold photograph. This photograph sells 5 times. This photograph 4 times. This photograph 2 times. This photograph 1 times. And these photographs sell 1 times. And view top promotional photographs. You see every photograph how much selling. This one 4 times sellings, this one 4 times, this one 3 times, this one 3 times, this one 3 times, this one 3 times. As you see my all selling photographs. I already sell 172 photographs, and maximum days I sell my photographs. It's automatic selling. No, you don't need any way to selling. You see it, my some photographs, elephant apple, flower, just spelling mistake I think. Yes. Now see. These are elephant apple flower and elephant apple foods. These photographs is my photographs. These all are my photographs. This all are my photograph. You can sell your photograph by Shutterstock. Today I just introduce most popular photo selling websites, nothing else. introduce you next site, iStocks. iStock you sell photo, illustrations, video, and audios. Uh, this is second highest payment website. Shutterstock you see, Shutterstock only uh, video and illustration and photograph selling websites, no audio. But iStock you will selling audio. Now I introduce 500 VX. These are highest paying websites. These are also very good websites, and Samung Mark. These are also highest paying websites, and let's see, these are also paying websites. And Photolia, it's a Adobe Adobe group websites. I think these are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. This related website is Adobe Stock. These are Dreamstime. Dreamstime also highest paying websites. This already I saw it. Almi. These are photo selling websites. It's already I see it. Photomoto. These are photo selling website. And these are paying websites. Yes. You see, its pricing. Also, already I see it. These are a snippet for you, but it's not bad. These are PhotoShare websites. These are also photo selling websites. But I will not read this because it's you first you paying and then you create account. No need this. These are tour photos. It's a good photo selling websites. But best photo selling website is Shutterstock. also good photo selling websites. I introduce you in my next video. I introduce you how to create Shutterstock for, account and how to sell by Shutterstock. Okay, thank you.